In this video, we'll go through the most common and proven reasons why a Kindle won't charge and explain exactly how to fix each one using reliable, real-world solutions. Step 1. Charging basics. Before assuming something is broken, it's important to understand how Kindle charging works. Kindle devices charge slowly compared to phones, especially when the battery is completely drained. In some cases, it can take up to 30 minutes before the charging indicator appears. Step 2. Cable problems. One of the most common reasons a Kindle won't charge is a faulty USB cable. Even if the cable looks fine on the outside, the internal wires can break over time. This often results in inconsistent charging or no charging at all. Always try a different, high-quality USB cable, preferably the original one that came with the Kindle. Step 3. Power source. Using the wrong power source can also prevent your Kindle from charging properly. Charging through a laptop or desktop USB port often provides insufficient power, especially if the battery is fully drained. Amazon recommends charging Kindle devices directly from a wall outlet using a USB power adapter. Step 4. Restart fix. A software glitch can sometimes prevent the Kindle from recognizing that it's plugged in. Restarting the device often resolves this. To do this, hold the power button for about 40 seconds until the screen goes blank and the Kindle restarts. Once it turns back on, plug it into the charger and check if it begins charging normally. Step 5. Software update. Outdated software can occasionally cause charging or battery display issues. If your Kindle turns on, check for available updates by going to Settings, opening the menu, and selecting Update your Kindle. If the option is grayed out, the device is already up to date. Keeping the software current helps prevent system-level bugs. Step 6. Factory reset. If nothing else works, a factory reset may help, but this should be your last option. A reset erases all data from the device, so make sure your content is backed up to your Amazon account. Go to Settings, then Device Options, and select Reset. After the reset, plug the Kindle in and allow it to charge fully before setting it up again. Step 7. Hardware failure. If the Kindle still won't charge after trying all these steps, the issue may be hardware related. This could include a worn-out battery, a damaged charging port, or internal component failure. In this case, contacting Amazon customer support is the best option. Depending on the model and warranty status, they may offer a repair, replacement, or discount on a new device.